The NPCA is looking for you to get involved by providing your input and thoughts about the proposed Beamer Memorial Conservation Area's enhancement projects.
We have an incredible conservation here at Beamer Conservation Area. We know it's our second highest visited passive conservation area we have, but we know we unfortunately don't have the infrastructure to support how many people want to use the site. So on July 27th, we have an in-person meeting at Balls Falls to talk about the future of the site and the enhancements we want to do there. And also August 17th, we have a virtual session to chat about the same things.
By getting involved with the enhancement project, the public can help improve the visitor experience at Beamer Memorial Conservation Area.
One of the really unique features we have here at Beamer Conservation Area is an accessible trail that leads to an accessible lookout. For an escarpment property in Ontario, it's extremely rare. So we want to be able to enhance that feature and maybe add some accessible parking closer to the accessible trail itself. And the other item is our interpretive and wayfinding signage. So we want to look at ways we can add some educational signage and really teach people that are coming to the site about the history of the area. We've had success in the past with enhancement projects similar to this. Did Cave Springs last year. We're working on Rockway Conservation Area this year. And all of those enhancement projects include an accessibility component.
Beamer Conservation Area is also well known as the best vantage point in Niagara to observe the annual spring hawk migration.
So another unique hidden gem is the migratory bird season here at Beamer Conservation Area. We actually have a hawk watch tower. Hawk watch group that come out here and we count the birds in that season. We get droves of people coming out here in that spring season to view the different birds.
Beamer Conservation provides visitors with access to walking trails and beautiful escarpment views.
Well, we live in the Grimsby area, and anytime we get a chance to come up on top of the escarpment, we come, and now we've got family in from Italy. I mean, I spend probably at least 2 or 3 times a week coming up and just walking the trails. It gives everybody a chance to get out into nature, and you really get to see the beautiful views from the top of the escarpment, and just anywhere you go, it's just a peaceful, relaxing walk. I think a lot of the times, I know this is really hard to do, but a lot of times when we come up, especially in the summer, it's so gorgeous, but because the trees are all filling in, you just have these small little glimpses out into the lake. So even just a small little trim here and there and to give a little bit more of a view would be phenomenal.
We've already had some incredible stakeholder consultation with some of our main groups on the site. The Niagara Peninsula Hawk Watch is obviously a huge part of this conservation area, the Bruce Trail, the town of Grimsby. So we've had some incredible meetings chatting with them about different things they would like to see in features, but we also want input from the public. You know, our NPCA staff are here a lot. I personally hike it a lot, love the conservation area, but there's others that use it every day, and we want to hear what they have to say. NPCA.ca has a Get Involved portal section, and the entire information about the project is right there. We encourage everybody to visit it, review the documents, and hope to see you at one of the information sessions.
In Niagara, you're watching The Source.